Hey guys. I look weird. Hold on, let me turn it around. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Cheyenne here and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, your girl blew out her hair because I'm doing my hair this weekend. Using this hair right here, this Freetress hair. Yep, her right here. What is this? The 22-inch 1B hair. Yeah, I'm doing that because I'm about to do butterfly locks again in my hair. Sorry, I don't know why I did that. I was trying to look at my part. The butterfly locks again with my hair. I really hope you guys enjoy because y'all just gonna be watching me doing my hair since I don't know what I'm gonna be doing for Sunday videos. So this is gonna be the Sunday video. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. This is what we're doing. This is how my hair looks right now. As you can see, she's very blown out. Took me forever. I had to do it in quadrants. And it's way easier now since I cut my hair. Well, trimmed. Let's get started. So it's now time to do the parting of my hair. And I do not feel like doing that. That's the longest part to do. This is all the hair that came out of this, but that is the hardest part to do, is parting my hair. Blow drying was the hardest part, but since I trimmed my hair, it wasn't that hard. Are they leaving or is she leaving? Oh, that's just the same car. Oh gosh, I look flat right there. Okay, but yeah, and I got hair all over the floor. I'm trying to clean up my mess. I need all these clips. So I need clips, rat tail comb, this gel, oh lord, probably some more clips. I don't know if I need this, but I'm just gonna grab it. It's white. Alright. I also need, even though I moisturize my hair, I need to moisturize my hair because we don't want a dry scalp, you know? So. Now this isn't no how-to video. I know how to do it. It's not that hard of a style. It's just the parting is not my best part. Wow, it's not like my best thing to do. So I'll be right back. Okay, here is the setup. So as you can see, here's the mirror, and then you turn. Here's me. How y'all doing? Here's my supplies. So tooth comb, this is just for parting part. I'm only parting right now. Video, some moisturizer, something to watch, and then a ring light for you guys. So give me 2 seconds. So oh, you can't see me. Hold on. Wow. Okay, listen, how you doing? Okay, how y'all doing? All right.
Gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, got a fucking mask on,
Oh, so the products I'm using to part and, to part my hair basically is a rat tail comb. This comb to just part it but then clean it up with the rat tail. Then I'm using Shine and Jam to make it as a crisp part as possible. And also moisturizing with this Cream of Nature Mango Machine Butter leave-in conditioner. So I hope you guys can see me because if I'm leading y'all back a little bit more, you will fall. So just letting y'all know that now, because if you fall, I'm gonna have to pay for it. Period. Oh, that is cold. Okay. See, listen, I try to make a cute square, and it looks like an oval. Oh, whatever. It's the back, not the front. See, a skinny one, a thick one. Oh, child, I hate this. Oh my god. Yeah, it's so hard for me to part. Like, this part is probably trash, but it's the back. I don't care. I just need my hair done for the Thanksgiving. Period. Oh, almost fell. See, ugh, hold on. There we go. Now we gotta put your waist back there.
I'm real like a thief in the night.
Okay, so I think that's enough of me showing you me parting my hair. So when I get to the part where I'm putting the actual weave in, I'll let you know. Okay, sorry about this lighting. Oh my god, hold on. Are we good here? I can see me, so that's all that matters. So as you can see, I did one already. Yep, I did one. So what I'm doing, what you do is, basically, here's what you do. So you get 2 strands of the free twist hair that I'm using. I think I showed you guys earlier. The free twist hair. And you get 2 pieces of it. And you start to detangle it, like loosen up the curls. If you hear banging, someone's doing fireworks outside right now. Literally fireworks. And I'm just like, you pick a time. So, yeah. So you just detangle it like so. Get it like all fluffy like this. And you also do need this crochet hook to crochet it in your hair. That's the only thing I forgot I did need. And you will get like these strands, so that's why I bring scissors, because we don't need unevenness and whatnot. So you get the 2 strands like this. Oh my god, they're really shooting fireworks and it's raining. Jeez Louise. Anyways, so yeah, did that perfectly actually. Okay, so I don't know which way to face y'all, because can y'all see the back of my head, or is it too dark? Let me go. This, ooh child, please don't fall. I don't want to have a bad look. Okay. So hopefully you guys can see my head. Let me just, ooh. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that, right? So yeah, you're just going to detangle the hair. Well, detangle the hair basically. And I do got some long strands, so I'm just gonna cut that off. So now, I'll put that to the side for a second. Okay, you get your crochet hook, make sure it's open. Well, y'all see the little blur, but make sure it's open. And then you grab on your braids, you put it through your hair like that. You leave it open like that. Then you grab your hair, which is the fake hair, the synthetic fake free twist hair. Grab that, you put it on the hook, close the latch, you pull it through. At least pull it through long enough so that you can separate and figure out what side is what. And then you just pull a side through like that, and then you have to figure out what side is what. That's the most irritating part though, is doing that, making sure that you have 2 equal sides. Okay, I figured it out. So when you get to this part, you have 2 strands. One strand has to be longer than the other so you can determine how long you want it. So then you finally, after trial and error, you start to twist. And when you start twisting, make sure the first 3 twists or wraparounds is tight, because you don't want it to unravel. Oh child, it's hot up in here. But yeah, just make sure it's tight. All this extraness is irritating me. At least 3 to 4 wraparounds. And then you just go all the way around. Now to get the messy part, I just do that when I fold it. So I'm trying to get as low as the first one. And I have it right in front of me so y'all can't see it. Oh my god, I'm tired. And this stuff is sticking to my nails. Okay, so you just keep wrapping, keep wrapping, keep wrapping. Till you find a good stopping point. Then here's what you do. So then when you find a good stopping point, you fold like that, and then you wrap up. Make sure it's the length that you want it, and then you wrap back up. And sometimes, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's hard to wrap back up because you're just used to wrapping down. But when you wrap up, you can wrap up as messy as you want, because that's the whole point, because you just want the messy look. You just keep going. Some may look uniformed, some may not. I'm trying to make it messy, it's not working out that way. Just make it like that, and boom, you have your second one. As you can see, it's kind of messy, but not really. You can also get another strand to make it more secure, so I might do that. But right now, I just, oh, my ears are ringing. I just need to, sorry, my butt itch. I just need to, I found the strand, hold on, then fill, and then boom. Okay, so yeah, that's basically all you do. the whole time. Some you might not feel so secure, so you may want to wrap it around with another strand of hair. But yeah, so I'll be back when I get to the front of my head. 2 more left and then I'm done. Sorry I didn't film beforehand. I was having a lot of trouble because some were just like not working out like I wanted them to. So yeah. I'm probably going to twist some up with an extra strand of hair for security. So okay guys, so I forgot to end the video I think yesterday, but this is the end result. Now the top of my head, I got to admit, I didn't even measure that right. Oh my god. Did y'all see it? If y'all did, hopefully while I'm editing this. I don't know when this video is going to go up, but it's going up today on Sunday. It is 1 o'clock. I'm trying to study for my class because I do have a test on Tuesday and I really need to study for that, so I'm studying for that right now. But yeah, so this is the end result. Don't know what the thumbnail is going to be, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also hit that notification bell just to be notified whenever I post, which is every Wednesday and Sunday. Now on Wednesdays I will usually post around 3 p.m. and on Sundays, well honey, I just pick a time because it's usually supposed to be around 11, but if I don't edit on Saturday, then yeah, it's going to be around maybe 5 going on 7 o'clock. So yeah, procrastination's real, but at least it's posted, period. So ooh, I'll see you guys later. I'm about to go finish watching this and studying. I gotta go pull out some meat for dinner. So yeah, see you guys later.